Hi there, it's Alexandra with WTI, and if you want to walk into a room and have every single head turn into your direction, then Libre by Yves Saint Laurent is the perfect fragrance for you. Libre is a floral fragrance, and I believe that in addition to having a beautiful outfit, to having a good hygiene, whenever you decide to wear a fragrance, it just adds so much class and so much femininity to your entire look and to your entire self. And this particular fragrance is so special to me because its scent is simply amazing. Its main accords are white floral, citrus, lavender, and vanilla, and its top notes are lavender, mandarin orange, and black currant. I currently have this mini-sized version of Libre by Yves Saint Laurent, but I am so excited to get my hands on the full size once I am done with this one. The applicator is also super convenient and it is so easy to carry around in any bag, no matter the size. And that's my point of view.